Welcome to Webstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook Live using OBS. To do that, go to Facebook and login. At the top, where it says What's on your mind, click camera icon. You will be brought to this page. In Go Live section, press Setup Live Video. And now Facebook is asking permissions to use a web camera and mic. So set the permissions from here, select your camera and microphone from here, and press allow. After that, under select a video source, select streaming software option. It will show a stream key. This is private, don't show it to anybody. Copy this stream key from here. Then open OBS, click settings from the right side. Select stream option from the left side. After that, where it says service, click the drop down and select Facebook Live. Paste stream key here. Press apply and OK button. So whatever is displayed on OBS will be broadcasted as a live stream on Facebook. If there is no scene, click plus button from here, create a scene, type scene name and press OK. Then add sources. To add source, press plus button here. You will see different options here. You can select browser, window capture and more. You can also choose your webcam by selecting video capture device. If you want to stream your monitor, you can select display capture. It will be the monitor display. I have used display capture. After that, select monitor if you have multiple from here. Now make sure OBS is capturing display and the audio. For audio, you can choose your microphone. You can also choose to record desktop audio. Once you have done that, press Start Streaming. After that, go back to Facebook stream page and you will be able to see the preview of stream displayed on this page. Under Create Live Video, you will see Connect Video Source is done, Complete Post Details is done, and now we have to go live. So we are not live yet, but we are able to listen and see the preview of live broadcast from OBS from here. Now from Facebook, choose where do you want to post it. Post in profile, post to page you manage or post in group. Choose when to post it, now or later. Choose who shall see this by clicking this button. Public or friends or only me. I will select only me because this is for tutorial purpose. Type title of the broadcast here and the description and press save. Once you're done, press go live button from below. And after a few seconds, whatever your OBS is looking and listening to will start broadcasting on Facebook as a live video. So this is how you can go live on Facebook using OBS. Let me know if you want to see more advanced OBS tutorials like how to use multiple audio channels in OBS, or how to sound better using OBS, or how to make your voice better in OBS. OBS is pretty advanced and there's a lot to it. Ask in comments if you have any issues with it. I'll answer or I'll make a tutorial on it. Once you're done streaming, press End Live Video. Press End button. And from the OBS, press Stop Streaming. To view your live broadcast, click this option, View Post. And this was the live stream that we did on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.